So you guys want to know what equipment you need to start a t-shirt business in 2021? Well, you guys got questions and now I've got answers. You guys are watching Ask Stan the Man. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help you start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to start a t-shirt business, kind of informally, right after the intro. Jump into it, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and if you have a question that you want answered, make sure you put it down below. This is going to be the informal version of this video. I'm going to put out a formal version, but in this video right now, like I said in the intro, I am going to let you know everything that you need to start a t-shirt business. I'm gonna give you two versions of it, okay? If you're trying to start a t-shirt brand, you only need one piece of equipment. And what I suggest you get is the best one for whatever budget there is that you have. And that first piece of equipment is a heat press. All right, if you know you want to create a brand, you're going to have less than 5 designs. You're not going to be changing a lot of designs. All you need is a heat press. You can go to Heat Press Nation, get like a Craft Pro or a premium signature series. You can go over to Heat Transfer Warehouse and get the Wallet Press, a 15x15 or the 16x20 version. Their pro model. You can go to Pro World, get one of their presses. I'll put all of the affiliate links to my partners down below, and that is the first and most important thing you need. If you're gonna start a t-shirt brand with like less than 5 designs to start, you can always grow it and build it out from there. All you need to do is get some transfers, and the 2 transfer companies I use Top Transfers for my one color designs. They do allow ganging. That's TOPP.tshirtsocial.com. That's my affiliate link to let them know that I sent you over there. And from them, like I said, I use their one color transfers. I use their premium peel or their TOA. The difference between the two is the premium peel is made for cottons and different things like that. And then the transfer on everything, or a transfer on anything rather, the TO version is like a more premium feel. You can be good with either one of the two. The TOA is applied at a lower temperature than the premium peel. So if you're doing 100% polyester, you definitely want to go with the TOA. Secondly, if it's not one color, everything else I do is done with super color. Super color is a great solution for transfers, full color designs, gradients. If you got a new graphic designer, everything's gonna have gradients and sparkles and shines everywhere. The only thing that you can't print are like drop shadows and glows that fade out on the outside of your design. I like to say it has to have a hard edge. So this will allow you to do the best production in-house in this route. Okay, now let's say you want to start a custom t-shirt business. What do you need? First and foremost, the same thing. You need a heat press. All right, you get a heat press. You get one of those presses that I mentioned earlier. Again, the links will be down in the description for my partners. And from there, we're gonna get a vinyl cutter and we're gonna get a silhouette cameo. If you want my help, I suggest you get a silhouette cameo. If you already purchased a vinyl cutter, then you're perfectly fine with a Cricut or any other vinyl cutter on the market. I really don't care, whatever one you gotta use, but if you want my help and you want to watch my tutorials and understand how to use it, I use a Silhouette Cameo 4. You can get the Plus model or the Pro model, which is the 15 and the 20-inch version of the press, and you'll be good to go. So from there, we need some vinyl. All right, this is the most important thing. Again, my 2 vinyl companies, I use B-Flex from The Vinyl Stand, tvs.tshirtsocial.com, and I use Econo Transfer, econo.tshirtsocial.com. Those are my 2 transfer companies of choice. And B-Flex is super fast. 4-second presses at 285 degrees in that range there. So they're super fast, and Econo has some of the best pricing available to the market. And I love the puff vinyl if you want to look for some things that add extra flair. And when you're building your business, I like to start out with at least 10 colors. That would take like around somewhere near about a $350 investment, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, depending on what's going on. And I like to start with white, black, red, royal, navy, and then I like to get a little bit, like, I like to look at my market. If I'm going market to a particular school, I want to get that school colors. If my state has a color, I want to get that color. Add in some purple and pink, and then you should be able to fill it out from there with about 10 colors. I also have a video on what colors you should start with, and also how to build the colors. So what steps I would take to get to 36 colors in my t-shirt business, and how I would purchase those colors. So from there, we're just gonna pick up a little few things to make the business run a little bit smoother. You're gonna need a weeder. I suggest you go to my website, get a t-shirt size weeder. I put a lot of time and effort into developing these weeders, and yeah, they're just better, okay? And from there, we're gonna get a nice pair of scissors. We're gonna go to temperature gun, and I think that is about everything we need, okay? Just in case, if you're just starting out, you're gonna also want to pick up some VLR, which is vinyl letter remover, and that, just in case you make some mistakes, you'll be able to take off your vinyl. I also have a tutorial on that on my channel. If you're looking for anything you need to know about the t-shirt business, all you need to do is take a second, go on YouTube, search whatever the topic is, and put my name, Stan Banks, next to it. And if you can't find an answer to that question, message me, comment, put it in the comments, and if it's a good question, you will see it on a future video from T-Shirt Side Hustle. It's 2021, and I'm trying to answer a question every day, but it's important that you guys continue to ask questions so that I can keep this up, because you guys know I'm not one to make stuff up. Okay, so you got this far, and I'm going to give you my advice for starting a t-shirt business in 2021. How can you start and grow your business fast in 2021? And what I would do is, first and foremost, I would spend the first 30 days learning my craft. I feel once you got all of the equipment that you need, you should be able to print shirts within the hour watching my tutorials on YouTube. You should be able to unbox your heat press, set up your vinyl cutter, install it on your computer. You need a computer. I didn't mention that because I feel like everybody should have a computer at this point in their life. Which computer and all of that stuff, it does not matter. So once you take that step and you install everything, within the hour of you getting your equipment, you should be printing t-shirts. It is that easy, and I believe it, and I've seen it happen with countless people from one-on-one calls, and they're watching my tutorials. And if you guys are one of those people who got their equipment and started printing very, very fast, comment down below and let them know that they need to get started. Secondly, once I perfect my craft, I'm gonna let everybody that I know that I make t-shirts. And now that is my marketing team, my family and my friends. And if they not helping you market or letting people know that you have a t-shirt business, you need to get a new set of friends, my friend. Okay, because I want people around me that's gonna be pushing me forward and helping me, you know, the way that I'm supposed to be helped. And I'm gonna do the same for the people around me. Lastly, once you got all of that stuff, be patient. Okay, you be patient and keep making stuff, keep sharing your works with the world, and in no time, I'm telling you, you'll have a t-shirt business that is booming and getting things rolling. I like to take over my immediate market before I even think about ads and how to get out and find more customers. I want to make sure I perfect the craft, because every last customer that I have is a part of my marketing team. And once you understand that, all you need is to have people know that in the top of my mind that they need. All you need to know is that at the top of somebody's mind is that when it comes to making shirts, they're gonna refer you. And that way, by the time it's all said and done, you'll start with a 2-person marketing team, have a 50-person marketing team, a 100-person marketing team. Every customer that you touch will become a part of your marketing team. And if they don't refer you, you ain't do something right. Nothing is better than repeat business and referral business. So get out here in 2021, kill your local market. Hope you guys are having a great new year, and it's time to get to the grind. Stop reading reviews and get started right now after this video. Go make all the purchases. This has been your boy Stan Banks, wishing you much success in 2021 and with your t-shirt business. Peace.